When's the market going to crash? And why are these prices so high on housing right now? That's what the topic of this episode is. Thanks for coming to Stay or Leave Livermore. Okay, so it's really simple. This simple supply and demand graph behind me is going to explain why prices are so high right now. Take a look. So I'll break it down for you. In a normal market, we're at point A, where there's an equal amount of supply and demand. But right now, and normally if prices are low, there's a lot of demand. And if prices are high, there's a lot of supply. Right now, the opposite is true. So we're in the perfect storm of little supply, which has shifted that graph to the left, and more demand, which has shifted that graph to the right. And so instead of being at point A, we're at point D, where prices are super high. There's actually about the same amount of home sales as normal right now. Okay, so how do we get back to normal? Well, the two things have to happen. We have to have less demand, and that could easily happen from rising interest rates and things of that sort, and buyer fatigue. That's already happening, and that's probably going to happen more. And then, of course, more supply. More supply is happening right now, too, just as people are starting to see that there's a good time to cash out on their home. Their home are worth historic highs right now. So the question of when it's actually going to crash, I don't see that coming in the near future, but definitely we're in for a slowdown. It's not going to be the craziness as it is right now. I don't know whether that's going to be 6 months or a year, though.